The bride-to-be may eagerly blurt out yes when the groom-to-be proposes marriage. The couple may be positive they want to have their wedding in a certain location, and the bride may have known what type of dress she wanted since she was just a little girl, but picking a date for the wedding usually does not go as smoothly. Sometimes one of the hardest decisions a couple will have to make in regards to their wedding is the date for the wedding. This article will discuss some of the problems which many couples encounter when it comes to setting a date for their wedding, and will provide advice on how to choose a wedding date. One of the problems many couples have in regard to selecting a wedding date is deciding on a season for the wedding. This decision can be difficult because the couple has difficulty deciding what type of wedding they want. Each season invokes a different type of wedding, and deciding on the beauty of a spring wedding over the romance of a winter wedding can be a difficult decision. Couples should carefully consider the advantages and disadvantages of each season and make their decision based on which season would result in an ideal wedding for the couple. Another problem some couples experience, especially couples with large families, is selecting a date which interferes with another family event or a holiday. Very large families seem to always have at least one family member who is having a birthday, anniversary, or other significant event. Thoughtful couples will want to avoid allowing their wedding to overshadow another important event in the family, but if this is not possible, they should make every effort to minimize the impact on the other event. Still, another problem couples may face when selecting a wedding date is pressure from friends or family members to select a particular date or time of year for the wedding. This is most often likely to occur in situations where there is someone else involved in the process of paying for the wedding. This is because those who are involved financially may feel as though they have the right to influence these important decisions. In this situation, the couple will have to decide if they should pay for the wedding themselves so the other people do not feel this way. However, there may also be situations where the other person attempting to influence the date of the wedding is not paying for the wedding and is not otherwise involved in the planning. The couple should consider the reason for the other person wanting this date, but should not give in to this wish if they have valid reasons for selecting a different date. Finally, one of the most obvious reasons couples have trouble setting a date for the wedding is one or more of them is having cold feet. This can be a difficult decision to deal with because neither of them may realize this is the problem, so they may continue to struggle to select a date. In this case, the easiest way to deal with the problem is to allow it to take its course. The couple will likely realize the wedding is not meant to be eventually and decide on how to handle the situation as well as the relationship. They may decide to postpone the wedding plans indefinitely until the relationship is more secure, or they may decide it is best to end the relationship. This is a very personal decision for the couple. Do-it-yourself wedding planning Part 5. Your wedding planning timeline will be on What's on Bromley tomorrow.